The most recent work that I've done is for Wordless. I did a Wordless work of my own that's part of the performance. I'm showing work by a number of people, including myself. My main questions have more to do with the specific works that excited me, that make up the bulk of the presentation. This genre that flourished in the 20s and 30s and had some ripple effect after of these woodcut novels. There's a kind of cultural bias against words and pictures together. It's as if the pictures were just training wheels for little kids before they learn how to read real stuff. It's interesting how comics are reconfiguring in the culture because the culture's changed so much at this point. These things are being re-embraced as graphic novels, and they certainly had been important to me in making the work that I'm most known for because they already implied that really serious subjects could be taken on by picture stories. Finding a way to present this is different than like putting them on a screen. So we had to find a way where you'd always somehow be reminded that what you're looking at was originally a book. The only way to show you it rather than just tell you about it is to literally show it to you as if it was an accelerated first reading. And that reading is enhanced by Philip, who's a master of new silent film scores. Every picture has a meaning, and it should be enhanced by the music in a way. It came out very cool, I must say. Now it's grown into something that has a real logic, and it's an interesting kind of creature, like some kind of weird hybrid thing, somewhere between college lecture, stand-up comedy routine, movie screening, and concert.